Anyone familiar with the industry is aware that the first Luna and Terra USD of Terra Environment were destroyed in May of 2022, which resulted in the total implosion of the digital currency in the second quarter of that year. So, we're here with the long-term price prediction for the Luna Classic cryptocurrency. Make sure you watch the whole video because this has been the hottest currency of 2022. Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content around crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask you for your number or any other personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So, please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Let's talk a little bit about the background of Luna Classic, because a background plays a vital role in the future of cryptocurrency. In 2018, Terraform Labs was founded in Seoul, North Korea, by Do Kwon and Daniel Shin, a couple of two programming industry visionaries. The two unveiled the Terra blockchain and the UST stablecoin, which was associated with the Luna token the next year. The benefits of cost stability, more significant monetary acknowledgement, decentralized anonymity, and quick, efficient payments were anticipated. The most contentious cryptographic currency today is one of the most significant stablecoin pushes. On the Terra 2.0 blockchain, exchanges are authorized via a proof-of-stake (POS) agreement tool. The primary digital currency, Ethereum, which also switched from proof-of-work to an evidence-of-stake mechanism, which has further exacerbated competition amongst POS blockchains. 130 validators are employed by the organization at any one moment. It is seen as an extremely environmentally friendly POS token. Why is the Luna Classic cost expectation important? It is anticipated that a stablecoin will protect coin holders from the volatility of existing digital forms of money. It is pegged to support digital currency or a government-issued currency like the US dollar. Luna Classic was pegged to Terra USD, UST, LUNC, then just Luna. This is where the problem began. Digital currency is in no way comparable to gold vaults. The whole stablecoin architecture collapsed in May of 2022 as a result of UNA costs being undercut, which has also harmed UST costs. LUNC maintained its strong performance throughout the first several years. By market value, it was even in the top 10 digital currencies by the end of 2021. However, the Terra structure collapsed in May of 2022, causing a fork. Fundamentally, it launched a new Luna version. The Terra Biological System Restoration Plan 2 was implemented as specified, allowing for the existence of two variations of the Luna token. The future of this virtual currency will undoubtedly have a big impact on whether a failed cryptocurrency can revive and grow. Its exhibition following the May 2022 collapse hasn't exactly been joyous thus far. However, if LUNC swaps successfully in the future, it will be a cause for celebration for this particular digital currency and many other cryptocurrencies. Cost and news for LUNC. Since it was terminated in 2019, the cost of LUNC fluctuated between 2 cents and $1.03 till April of 2021, when the cryptocurrency market took off in the middle of 2021. Its price began to rise. Additionally, it will very certainly reach $100 before the year is up. It fluctuated between $50 and $100 starting in 2022, and eventually reached an all-time high, ATH, of $119.18 on April 5, 2022. The Terra framework collapsed in the middle of May, when its value started to decline the following month. Following the Terra meltdown, the market lost over $45 billion over just 7 days, according to information provided by Bloomberg in May of 2022. The Korean Public Assessment Administration penalized Terraform Labs and its partner donor Do Kwon $78.4 million in the corporation and yearly duty. According to Bloomberg, the company sent off Luna, another type of cryptographic currency, on May 25, 2022. The more established cryptocurrency is now known as Luna Classic, LUNC, and the more recent one is known as Luna 2.0, Luna. Although LUNC, the more established cryptocurrency, has not been replaced, many users are switching to Luna. It should be mentioned that LUNC hasn't exactly been performing well thus far. Comparatively speaking, the market capitalization of LUNC reflects how the market feels about cryptocurrencies. It failed to achieve $500 million in 2019 to 2020, but it began to grow in 2021. It recently passed the $1 billion mark at the beginning of February. Furthermore, it exceeded $36 billion near the end of 2022. The procedure for LUNC kept growing the next year as well, reaching $41 billion in April of 2022. Nevertheless, since the tragedy in May 2022, the value has fluctuated between $300 million and $1.5 billion. Kwon may be forced to return to South Korea if South Korea succeeds in having his identity rejected. According to Bloomberg, a request has been made to the nation's Unfamiliar Service to remove the movement record. He and the others are the subjects of a prior capture warrant. According to recent information from Monetary Times, South Korean examiners have allegedly asked Interpol to issue a red notification against Kwon. However, Kwon stated that he is not hiding from any interested government agency and that the organization is fully cooperating and has nothing to hide. The collapse of the twin currencies Terra USD and Luna Classic caused a crypto emergency that has negatively affected the whole crypto market. In such circumstances, LUNC is particularly vulnerable. 2030 LUNC Value Forecast. Telegon continues to be overconfident about what would happen to LUNC in 2030 as well. In 2030, it was predicted that LUNC will trade for as much as $5.23 and as little as $1.93 with a $3.11 average cost excess. However, Bitcoin Shrewdness predicted that in 2030, the price of LUNC will fluctuate between 0.002603 cents and 0.002834 cents. According to the projection, it will typically cost 0.002719 cents throughout the specified year. What do you think of today's video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and come back for more videos like this one.